Hey, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we return, got the JJRC. This is a Dawn. This is a helicopter. It's an indoor-outdoor flyer. So I'm going to get to this intro. Right after that, we'll go and do a quick unboxing, and then we'll go to a flight. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, guys. Hey, today we got the JJRC. This is the Dawn helicopter. It's altitude hold. This is indoor-outdoor flyer, but this one right here, I would suggest more of an indoor unless there's absolutely no wind outside. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then we're going to take it for a quick flight. This one here comes with 3 batteries. You can find this actually on Amazon, and also I'll leave a link in the descriptions where you can buy this. I just want to show you a quick unboxing, which is the helicopter right here. You got the controller, which is 2.4 gigahertz, but this one is basically indoor-outdoor, but it doesn't have any speed rates. So I would actually keep this indoors unless there's absolutely no wind outdoors. Then you can fly it. But for me, personally, I would keep it indoors. It does come with 3 batteries. Comes with 3 batteries here, and they are 3.7 volt 25C. They're 260 milliamps. So you got 3 of these it comes with. You have a package here that comes with the instruction manual and a quick startup guide, and it looks like a game, AR Master Shooter. So you can download some game on there. So let's see what else we have in here. We have a rear propeller here for the rotor. So you got a spare prop there, and it looks like you got 4 extra props. So you can replace all 4 props on this if needed. And then it's got a Phillips screwdriver. So on this one here, let me take it apart. I think it's 3 double A's, but let me double check here. This one is, yeah, 3 double A's. So it does take 3 double A's. You don't have to have that screw back in there. It just snaps right in. Then you got the on and off switch here. Then everything's listed here. You got left fine tuning, you got right fine tuning up here on top. Also, you have 1 key start, 1 key land right there on that button there. And then this one is just for the light control to turn the light on and off right here. So that's all it does. There's no speed rate on here, guys. So 1 speed and that's it. So that's why I recommend this to be an indoor flyer, because you can't go and adjust the speed for outdoors in case there's a little bit of wind. It's just 1 speed, you guys. So I would suggest to keep this indoors. But anyways, there's a quick unboxing. Let's take this for a flight. I'm going to take a quick flight indoors, and then I'll try a flight outdoors as long as there's no wind at all, and we'll see how it does. So stay tuned for that.
Plug this in real quick. Better for indoors because it has no speed control rate. So let me go ahead and plug that in, turn this on. It's binding. Okay, it's ready to go. 1 key takeoff. There we go. Alright guys, it's got altitude hold. So this side is only for up and down. Alright. To move, you want to move this side to left or right. You want to press forward. Alright, see I'm going around in a circle by moving this throttle here. There is no speed rate, so you guys are not going to get any faster than this. So I recommend this for indoors. That's why I always say indoors for these ones, even though this isn't a lot of these small helicopters are infrared, but this one isn't. But outdoors, you're not going to go very fast at all, so it's better just to stay indoors. So this is one hand you can go and control this whole helicopter. Unless you want to control it to come down or up. Okay. So it's a great indoor flyer. I just don't recommend taking it outdoors, okay? So I would just keep it indoors, you guys. So, not a bad indoor flyer. Alright guys, hey, I'm going to show you a quick flight of this helicopter at night because it's been raining and this is the only clear time I got with no wind right now is actually at nighttime. So it'd be kind of cool to watch and see how the light works on here. Fire it up, let it bind. Alright, it just bound. The light stayed lit up. Same with the helicopter. You can shut the light off if you want, or you can turn the light back on, which I'll have it on since it's nighttime. One key, start. Alright, there's no speed rates, so this thing is going to be slow. But it does fly pretty good when there's no wind outside. And just one-handed. That's as fast as it'll go, you guys. Same with indoors. Hopefully you can see the indoor flight okay. Thing's kind of hard to see in the daytime, but I just wanted to see how well it does at night, which it does pretty good. Real easy to maneuver. Really don't need the altitude control right here on the being able to go up or down unless you want to go up higher, but everything's just going to be a one-handed control, so it's a lot different than a drone. I just wish it had speed rates. That's the only downfall with this one, is there is no speed rates at all. But it's good for kids, easy for kids to fly and learn from, or just for indoors when you want to just have something to kind of fly around. I'll leave a link in the descriptions. You can find this company on AliExpress, so I'll leave a link to that. Also, I'll put some other links down where you can find it as well. So I'll leave some multiple links. But it's pretty fun. If you can find it for cheap, it's worth having for indoors to mess around with. Just to kind of practice, to be steady and stuff like that. See, we have no wind, so it's drifting just a little bit. So that light helps out for orientation. But that's basically it. I'm not going to do no range test. This is just so you can see how it does outdoors with no wind. But it really does fight to try to go forward. It's not very fast on forward flights. We'll try backwards. A lot faster backwards. But forwards it just ain't going to do it much. I trim it a little bit. There we go. There's no forward trim, so I was hoping they would have some kind of forward trim so you can at least get it to fly a little faster forward, but it's not going to happen. Yeah, I sure wish it had speed rates. They would have just put some speed rates on here. This thing would be a lot more fun. But I do have a WL Toys helicopter coming. It's going to be a lot faster. It's going to have 6-axis gyros, and it's going to have the 3D mode on it, so you could be able to invert flight and things like that and do some tricks. So alright, we got the low warning light coming on, and I'll let you guys know what the flight time is on that. I want to see what it does. It should just self-land. You do have an automatic land button here, so if you did want to land it, all you have to do is just press that button. If you want to get out of it, you can press it again, or just press up. Altitude up should bring it back up. Yeah, it still wants to land, so there we go. Let me land it. Alright, I think that's it. I pretty much think that's done. We'll see. I'll try another automatic takeoff, see if it'll still go. Yeah, that's it. Alright, guys. Alright, I'll leave a time right up here on the screen, guys. Sure appreciate you watching. Like always, guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.